Tell. Introduction to Bioinformatics, Artificial Intelligence, and Machine Learning for Pharmaceuticals. Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting and rapidly evolving field, bioinformatics, artificial intelligence, and machine learning in pharmaceuticals. So, grab a cup of coffee, and let's get started. First off, let's break down what bioinformatics is. In simple terms, bioinformatics is the intersection of biology and computer science. It involves using computational tools to analyze biological data, especially genetic information. Think of it as using powerful software to make sense of the vast amounts of data generated in biological research. Now, why is this important? Well, bioinformatics has been crucial in drug discovery and development. By analyzing data from DNA sequences and protein structures, researchers can identify potential drug targets and understand how diseases work at a molecular level. This brings us to artificial intelligence, or AI. AI refers to computer systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. This includes things like learning, reasoning, and problem solving. In the pharmaceutical industry, AI is revolutionizing how we discover and develop new drugs. For instance, AI can analyze massive datasets to identify patterns and predict how different compounds will behave in the body. This means we can find potential new drugs faster and more efficiently than ever before. Now, let's talk about machine learning, or ML. ML is a subset of AI that focuses on building systems that can learn from and make predictions based on data. In drug discovery, ML algorithms can predict which drug candidates are likely to be effective based on historical data. Imagine you're trying to find a needle in a haystack. Instead of searching through every piece of hay, you have a smart assistant that knows exactly where to look based on previous experiences. That's what ML does for researchers. It helps them focus on the most promising candidates. But it's not all smooth sailing. There are challenges too. For example, while bioinformatics tools can analyze vast amounts of data, they often require sophisticated systems and trained personnel to interpret the results accurately. Plus, the quality of predictions can vary based on the data available. Next, let's focus on the various tools that are transforming the pharmacy department and the pharmaceutical industry. If you've ever wondered how technology is shaping drug discovery and development, you're in the right place. Let's get started with some of the most impactful bioinformatics and AI-driven tools used in pharmacy. First up, we have BLAST, or the Basic Local Alignment Search Tool. This powerful tool helps researchers find regions of similarity between biological sequences. By comparing these sequences against a database, BLAST can infer functional and evolutionary relationships, making it a cornerstone in genomics. Next, we have CHEMBL. This is a manually curated database of bioactive molecules that connects genomic data with chemical structures and their bioactivity. It's essential for drug development, allowing scientists to discover new therapeutic compounds. Moving on to GE Workbench, which is a comprehensive platform for managing, analyzing, and visualizing biomedical data. It supports a variety of data types, including gene expression, DNA and protein sequences, and even molecular structures. This versatility makes it a valuable resource for researchers. Then, there's GROMACS. This tool is designed for high-performance molecular dynamics simulations, particularly for proteins and lipids. It allows scientists to study the physical movements of atoms and molecules, providing insights into molecular interactions. Now, let's talk about IGV, or the Integrative Genomics Viewer. IGV is a user-friendly tool that provides high-performance visualization and exploration of genomic data. It's perfect for researchers who need to analyze complex data sets quickly and effectively. Next on our list is Modeler. This software specializes in creating three-dimensional structural models of proteins based on known structures. It's a crucial tool for understanding protein function and interactions. We also have Swiss Drug Design, which offers a suite of tools for computer-aided drug design, or CADD. This platform aids researchers in designing new drugs by simulating how they interact with biological targets. Moving forward, we have UCSF Chimera. This interactive tool is used for visualizing and analyzing molecular structures, allowing scientists to explore complex biomolecular interactions in a more intuitive way. Now, let's discuss AlphaFold. Developed by DeepMind, AlphaFold has revolutionized protein structure prediction with its remarkable accuracy and speed. This tool is paving the way for breakthroughs in understanding how proteins function and how they can be targeted for drug development. Next, we have Cyclica, which addresses challenges in drug discovery by integrating biophysics, medicinal chemistry, and systems biology. It helps researchers understand the complex interactions between drugs and their targets. Then there's DeepChem, a deep learning framework specifically designed for drug discovery. This tool harnesses the power of AI to analyze chemical data and predict how different compounds will behave. Moving on, we have DeltaVina, which provides docking scores for protein ligand binding affinity. This is crucial for understanding how well a drug candidate might bind to its target, which is a key factor in drug efficacy. Next up is Exscientia, an AI-driven platform that accelerates preclinical drug discovery. By monitoring and analyzing drug design experiments, it helps researchers develop precision medicines more efficiently. Finally, we have HitDexter, which estimates the likelihood of small molecules triggering positive responses in biological assays. This tool is essential for screening potential drug candidates early in the discovery process. So, how does this work in drug discovery? First, researchers identify a target, like a specific protein related to a disease. AI tools can analyze biological data and predict how different compounds will interact with that target. This is where bioinformatics comes into play. It's a field that combines biology, computer science, and mathematics to help us understand complex biological data. Now, let's break down some key terms. Bioinformatics involves using computational tools to analyze genetic and protein data. It helps in tasks like identifying potential drug candidates and predicting their effectiveness. Then we have high-throughput screening, or HTS. This is a method that allows researchers to quickly conduct millions of chemical, genetic, or pharmacological tests. AI can analyze the results to find promising candidates for further development. But it doesn't stop there. AI and ML also play a crucial role in clinical trials. They help identify suitable patients by analyzing electronic health records and other data sources. This not only speeds up the recruitment process but also enhances the chances of trial success. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There are challenges too. For instance, the algorithms used in ML require high-quality data to be effective. If the data is biased or incomplete, it can lead to inaccurate predictions. And let's not forget about the ethical implications. As AI becomes more integrated into healthcare, we must ensure that these technologies are used responsibly and transparently. So, to wrap it up, AI and ML are revolutionizing the pharmaceutical industry by enhancing drug discovery, optimizing clinical trials, and ultimately improving patient outcomes. The future looks bright, but it's essential to navigate these advancements with caution and responsibility. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on technology in healthcare. Have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover? Drop them in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the incredible world of science and technology.
Pharmaceuticals.